JIT, or just in time, is a system to produce and deliver finished goods just in time to be sold. Sub-assemblies just in time to be assembled into finished goods and purchased materials just in time to be transformed into fabrication parts. The idea of JIT was originally developed by the Toyota Motor Company in Japan. The idea was formalized into a management system when Toyota sought to meet the precise demand of customers for different models and colors of car with minimum delays. JIT is then being used in a wide variety of industries such as automobiles, consumer electronics, office equipments, furnitures, etc. JIT may be understood as the continuous improvement of material flow in either factory or a combination of factories. There are basically 4 techniques in JIT for improving material flow: factory layout revision, setup time reduction, pull system implementation, and better coordination with suppliers. Let's understand them one by one. In the factory layout revision, the layout of factories can be revised to introduce assembly lines and manufacturing cells. It is sometimes called continuous flow manufacturing. The purpose of this layout modification is to minimize material handling activities and their associated transactions, and to provide faster quality feedback. Assembly lines are typically dedicated to a particular product type, although they may be able to produce multiple models. Manufacturing cells produce a variety of completed parts, and the cells are developed using group technology in order to have the capability to handle certain surge in demand. Access capacity is built into the system. Now, in setup time reduction, factories can reduce setup times in order to reduce lot sizes and smooth production. Reduced set times enables a factory to produce smaller lot sizes which are very much economic and economically viable. Smaller lot sizes enable a factory to produce a broader variety of products, assemblies, and parts each day. However, preventive maintenance and lowering defect rates are also needed to be achieved. Then we have pull system implementation of JIT. In a pull system, final assembly lines only produce actual orders, and Kanban cards are used to signal sub-assembly and part deliveries and production. Now, what are these Kanban cards? See, Kanban cards are just basically a flag or signal. It's a Japanese word itself that we are going to discuss in the next lecture itself. And finally, we have better coordination with suppliers. See, factories can work with suppliers to reduce raw material inventories and solve quality problems. The first 3 techniques, that is the factory layout revision, setup time reduction, and pull system, are applicable to the suppliers as well for improving the material flow indeed between a firm and its supplier. The ultimate goal is to make the supplier an extension of the internal material flow to avoid the problems associated with shifting of inventories from customers to suppliers.